Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Rani and today in this video I will continue with my conjunction. So I have got the other set of conjunction. It comprises who, whom, whose, which, what. Actually I have written in capital letters. All the conjunctions are written in capital letters and I have also underlined the same. Actually, these words are very familiar to you. You all know how to make use of it. We always, these words are known as WH question, definitely, because it starts with WH. You can see that WH, in every word there is WH, right? So these question, how we make use of it? We make questions like who are you, to whom you want to meet, whose pen is this, which book is yours, what is your name. So these are the examples of direct speech. I'm making questions in direct speech, but here these words are being used as a conjunction. It means it will definitely ask question but as a conjunction. So let me explain through the examples. See, the first example of mine is they asked me who was that person. See, here you can see I have used full stop, not question mark. Generally, what happens whenever you make use of these WH question, you often put WH word in the beginning and in the last, in the end, we put question mark. But here there is a lack of question mark because the sentence is written in indirect speech. So whenever a direct speech is transformed into indirect speech, we don't make use of question mark. So here this who is acting as a conjunction because it is joining this clause and this, right? And you can notice here that a question is being asked because the basic function of these words, these conjunction and these WH words is to ask questions. So here also interrogate means to ask question, as you all know. So here also a question is being asked but not directly, right? They asked me who was that person. There is a question, you all can feel, you all can notice there is a question but not in a direct form. So you can see you can see the other example too. He asked me whom I wanted to meet. Again, you all can notice a question is here. Definitely a question is here, but not in a direct form, right? This word WHOM, whom, is used as a conjunction. It means it is joining the two part. He asked me, the one part, and the other part is I wanted to meet. A question is here but not in a direct form because this sentence is written in indirect form. The other example of mine is a student asked whose pen it was. Again, there is a question. There is a question, but not in a direct form. This whose is being used as a in conjunction. A student asked whose pen it was. The next is Mohan asked Sohan which book was his. Again, this which is being used as a conjunction. It means it is joining the first part and this clause. It is which is joining again two clauses, but a question is there. Definitely, a question is being asked. Suppose it is written in indirect speech. Suppose that I'm giving you a direct speech sentence. She said, what is your name? You can see here what is in the beginning and there is a question because it is written in direct speech. But again, if we transform this direct speech into indirect one, it will go like, she asked me what my name was. It is written in indirect speech. So whenever a WH question is transformed into direct to indirect speech, it will act as a conjunction. So you might be wondering what is direct speech and indirect speech. Actually, you must have heard about narration. It is also known as narration. So this is another a very lengthy chapter, very lengthy topic of grammar. So I think perhaps I will take later on. So we are just talking about conjunction right now. So you can see that you can notice here in all the below sentences, these WH words are being used as a conjunction, it is joining the two clauses, two parts of the sentences, and definitely it is asking question. Definitely there is a question, but not directly, because it is written in on all the below sentences are written in indirect speech. Again, the other word, other other example of mine is these words. These words are used as a relative pronoun. These words are also known as relative pronoun because it acts as a it acts as a relation. It establish relationship between clauses or sentences. So let's begin with the example. I have got two sentences, two different sentences. The first one is India used to be mainly an agriculture state. The first sentence. The other sentence is it has recently attracted more industry. So you can see here, you can notice here there are two sentences. The first one is this, the second one begins with it. So now what I'm going to do is, with these wh words, which are also relative pronouns, so I'm going to join two sentences to make it one. And the sentence goes like, India, which used to be mainly an agricultural state, has recently attracted more industry. You can see here this, which is establishing relation between these two sentences, and now with the help of which I have connected these two sentences to make it one. So I'm just giving you the other example to make it more clear to you. There are also two sentences I have written. One of the first part is, one of the cameras was not packed well. The first sentence, the other sentence is, it was damaged during the move. So with the help of these relative pronouns, I'm going to make it one sentence, and the sentence goes like, the camera that was not packed very well was damaged during the move. You can notice here, with the help of this that, I have joined these two sentences to make it one. So now I think the things are becoming a little bit clear in your mind, that how these words are acting as a joining words. So in the next video, I will take the other set of conjunction to make it more clear, the concept of conjunction. Till then, bye, and thanks for watching my video.